Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. It is the first week of Vlogmas for this year. I've kind of done Vlogmas I think over the past 3 years, and I've tried to do the everyday thing and it just doesn't really work out for me. I kind of like not lose interest, but I lose things to vlog about and then I get overwhelmed with editing. So this year I'm just going to do it as my weekly vlogs. We're going to call my weekly vlogs Vlogmas. So welcome to the first week of Vlogmas. It's actually on the 29th today. It's not yet December, but we will be going into December this week. Yeah, anyway, it is currently Monday afternoon. It's about lunchtime. Archie's down having his nap and I am just about to chuck my footage on my computer from last week's vlog. Last week's vlog is very like, I don't know, it just did not flow one bit, but that's okay. But yeah, in that vlog last week I told you guys that we are moving countries and it's all very exciting and it's all very stressful. So yeah, I am still going to be vlogging the process of that. At the moment it's a little bit like at a standstill because there's not a whole lot we can do. Last week I sold a lot of stuff and most of the stuff that we have left now is stuff that we're still going to be using while we're living here. So we probably won't sell that till near the end of December. I want to set up my Christmas tree this week sometime. I need to go into the storage unit downstairs because there was also a couple of things that we can sell down there. And yeah, I want to set the Christmas tree up. I think we'll leave the Christmas tree up until the 26th. I kind of wish we put it up a little bit earlier, but I don't know, things just got away. Time just got away with us, so we haven't put it up yet. I'm also just going to make some lunch as well while Archie's still down. I'm going to make a little rice and tuna bowl. I've got some corn, I've got some spinach, and yeah, we've got some fruit as well. I might have some fruit. Yum. Hello guys, it is very hard to hear me right now because I'm opening a bag of chips, a bag of cauliflower. These don't look like cauliflower. The heck? I bought these. These are the tamale cauliflower puffs. I've tried their avocado chips before and I absolutely love them. I don't know about these. Not what I was expecting. Not too bad though. It's now Tuesday. I have just finished editing last week's vlog. Alright, that was crazy. We just had, yeah, a lady come over to pick up Archie's slide. I didn't even know she was coming and then she just messaged me and she was coming outside. Oh, okay. So I went down there. Archie just woke up as well. So I'm just about to make him some lunch. But yeah, we got beef. I love the tamale bread of the avocado chips. Oh my god, they're the best. But I want to try the cauliflower ones. They're not like what I expected though. Good, but yeah, just not what I was expecting. Anyway, I'm gonna make Archie's lunch. I need a drink of water. I can have, I'm gonna make him a little hot dog. What do you want, spring rolls? He loves spring rolls, but he had spring rolls yesterday. That's boring. Yeah, I'm just gonna make him some little spring rolls. These are the best. These are the Ho My Yum Cha cocktail spring rolls. There's like 60 in here. They're so good. Archie loves them. I love them. I might actually put a couple in for me too. I had a really late breakfast, so I'm not that hungry, but I'm gonna put like 3 in for me. Chuck them in the air fryer. They're good to go. Yeah, my vlog is just currently uploading. And yeah, I was doing that pretty much all of Archie's nap. He napped for about 2.5 hours, which was pretty good. What's wrong, baby? You're just making noises. And then yeah, went and got myself changed, and that's all I've literally done today. I've been pretty lazy today, if I'm being completely honest. But I need to sort this kitchen out because the kitchen's a little bit of a mess. Cut out the lounge. The lounge isn't too bad. Hey, you on your motorbike? Yeah. I also need to make some room on this camera because my camera is just, yeah. Did you have a good sleep? Did you have a nice sleep? Yeah, baby. Get some washing done as well. I need to fold some washing. I've got a couple of loads of washing that I need to fold. And yeah, that's like my plan for today. It's kind of a miserable day. It's pretty rainy. So yeah, I'm just gonna do errands around the house. Alright, so it is now the next day. It is, it's Wednesday? Is it Wednesday or Thursday today? No, it's Wednesday. I was right the first time. But it's Wednesday today. It's the 1st of December. Happy Christmas! I can't believe it's December. I've been a bit of a bad Christmas mum this year. I haven't gotten Archie his advent calendar yet. So, set this up. I was originally going to make him one because I have a big like advent calendar from a skincare advent calendar that I got. And I thought it'd be really cute to make one for him. And I went to Big W last week and I was gonna pick him up a little chocolate one. And then, let me turn the light on. Yeah, I was gonna get him, I just tripped over a book basket. Ah, that hurt my toe. But yeah, I was gonna get him a little chocolate one. I was like, oh, you know, we've got a lot going on this month. I'll get him a little chocolate one instead of like him to run around and make a whole new one for him. And then I was like, no, Janelle, don't be lazy, do the advent calendar. I did end up getting the chocolate one and I haven't done the other one. So I've been a little bit of a bad Christmas mum. I wanted this year to be like his year where he gets like advent calendar and stuff like that. So, but yeah, we haven't done it yet. I'll get one for him this weekend. This week is super tight with like being able to get out and about because Ola is so busy when it comes to work. He's got like projects on outside of work. He's working full time, so he's been taking the car, my car. So he's been taking that to work because he's working on the other car that he's been using. He's been using his friend's car. So he's been taking that, but that car has to be painted and it's in the shop. So now he's been using my car, so it's really hard to get out and about during the day. So yeah, it's been a little bit difficult. And yeah, I'm gonna get him an advent calendar. Just give me some time. But yeah, it's the 1st of December today. We haven't got the Christmas tree up yet either. That will be done this weekend. I would prefer to do it when Ola's home. Like I want to get it, capture it all as a family. So yeah, we'll do that this weekend, probably Sunday I would say. But I'm forgiving myself this year for not being in the most Christmas spirit because we have so much going on. But yeah, anyway, ow. So many toys. Also as well, we have officially given our notice in for this house, which is really exciting, makes it a little bit more real. So yeah, she's just sent me, our landlord has just sent me an email with all the bits and bobs. That is super exciting, but also super scary. I feel like I've got so much to do and I just don't know where to start. But little things first and then bigger things like soon. Okay, so it's now Thursday. It's the next day. I've had a super lazy I've had a super lazy morning this morning, so I need to get up and do stuff. I managed to get the couch covers off the couch. I want to wash them and see how they come up. If they don't come up nice or decent, we'll have to get someone in to come clean the couch because we want to get it sold. I just took them off to clean for now so that we can take some photos. It's like a little bit tidier. Because we have feathers in our couch, I now need to vacuum the whole upstairs area because there are feathers everywhere. So I have set up Archie a little activity. Oh, he's finishing his lunch at the moment, but I've set him up a little activity out here. Just this little table. How cute is this? I love it. It's from Kmart if you're wondering. But it's just a little water and sand table. I've popped some rice in there. That's actually my risotto rice, uncooked risotto rice, but we didn't have any normal rice. I threw his play rice out, but yeah, I just popped some water and some rice out here for him to play with. It's actually a really nice day today as well, so it'll be good for him to be outside and in the sun for a little bit. But yeah, I want to get that done, try to vacuum the upstairs, and then I also want to do our stairway as well because there's just like Archie has a field day and likes to chuck things down there. I also chuck things down here, like any recycling or just things that need to go downstairs. So I want to have a little tidy up of that. I'll probably vacuum the stairs as well. And yeah, I just want to have an afternoon of getting things done. I've made myself the cold brew so that I can get myself through the afternoon. Alright, so I just pulled these out of the dryer and I went to go put them back onto the couch. But the stains did not lift at all. On the other set, so I did 2 of the cushions, the ones that are off, and then I did the other 2 in a separate load. So I put dishwashing liquid on the other 2 that had like stains on them, and the stains seem to be like not completely lifted, but they're like not very noticeable. So I didn't do that with this lot, and the stains haven't come out, and I think these are oil stains. So what I've done to this one is just put a little bit of dishwashing liquid on it to see if it will lift it, and I'm going to try and wash these again. But yeah, oh my gosh, they're actually so bad. Like when they were all like looking gross, I thought it was just because they needed a good clean, and Archie had spilt like a lot on them. But they're actually, yeah, really bad. So we'll try this and see how this goes. Alright, so this is what the couch looks like after I've washed it. It actually turned out pretty well. This one here is probably like, I don't know, that area there. Archie must have spilt snacks or something on it because it's a little bit dark. And then that little bit there, I think that's like probably snacks again, to be honest. But I mean, all in all, it actually turned out pretty well. We need to get like a rug doctor or something just to clean the edges, because obviously those don't come off. Yeah, because the edges get pretty dirty from Archie like climbing over them and like just touching them with his grubby fingers. Do you want to get out? You need to finish your dinner. Yeah. You go. But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good for washing it a couple of times, so I'm happy with that. Looks like a whole new couch, to be honest, compared to what it looked like before. I wish I had a before photo. I need to get him out. He's so grumpy. Alright guys, so we're in somewhere other than my house. We're currently sitting at the park, but I decided to change up my routine this morning and get out of the house. I brought Archie with me and we just decided to go for a little walk. I've got a pimple patch on my head. But we just decided to go for a little walk and get some coffee and come for a walk to the park, because I just need to change up my routine because I am home every day. Oh, somebody asked me on my last week's vlog actually if I was working full-time while I'm trying to plan this move and stuff, and no, I'm not. So I'm still employed full-time, but I'm not actually working. Ever since lockdown, I haven't been working. I've been on stand down, and I'm still on stand down. If I was staying at my job, I'd be on stand down until January. So yeah, that's the thing with that. So I'm not working full-time at the moment, but yeah, because I am at home all the time, I just need to change up my routine a little bit. I'm getting a little bit of cabin fever, so yeah, I just thought we'd come out now. I don't like walking in the afternoon either because it gets super hot. So here we are. It's nearly 7 o'clock. I think it is just gone past 7 actually. And we're at the park and we're just chilling. It's quite nice for Archie to get out of the house too. Hey babe.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with